Sustainable stormwater reuse to fill a global need. Stormwater harvesting and recycling is an absolute necessity due to the combined pressures from increasing rate of world population growth and unreliable rainfall. Invisible Structures are experts in stormwater harvesting and storage solutions, having set the industry benchmark since 2000. Now, with well over 300 tanks currently operating Australia-wide, you can be sure you'll be installing a first-rate product and a proven system. Invisible Structures specialise in multi-megalitre underground stormwater management solutions for major government, industrial and commercial applications. In offering clients free site design planning assistance, Invisible Structures welcomes early close client involvement to understand site-specific water management requirements and challenges. This ensures an optimum system design outcome with long-term performance and functionality.
As principal of Invisible Structures in Australia, I'd like to give you a short history of our company and product, Rainstore3 Advantage, the global benchmark underground stormwater harvest system. Licensed to manufacture the original Rainstore 3 from our American licensors, Invisible Structures Denver, I soon involved myself in all aspects of developing the Advantage system for multi-megalitre projects. Work alongside the experts in design, testing, production moulding and site installation. Coming from a civil construction background as project manager way back, the mechanics of implementing underground water infrastructure is straightforward and benefits obvious, with automatic gravitational tank inflow and secure storage out of harm's way. Various imperative associated water management attributes were identified as lacking in current system design at that time, and developed by us to provide a comprehensive package for long-term system functionality. The ecological impact and importance of water reclaim and reuse is my passion, so my goal was perfecting and delivering the most efficient and cost-effective system that I am now proud to present.
Rainstore3 Advantage has more features than any other similar currently available system. These include standout cost efficiency, simple, fast installation in days rather than weeks, unique maximum tank design flexibility of 100mm increments in any dimension, NATA-tested system for long-term load strength vertically and horizontally, highest net effective tank storage volume of up to 98%, efficient sediment removal system activated by simple adduction vehicle method, the best excavation to tank storage volume ratio, extremely fast installation combined with low installation costs delivers extremely cost-effective construction while minimizing site disruption. Huge economy of scale increases relative to project size increase. The Rainstore3 Advantage system is a unique, internationally patented combination of Rainstore 3 wall modules surrounding a complementary central core of vertical support columns between single floor and roof spreader elements. This multi-award-winning system uses patented Australian-designed and manufactured modular components enclosed in a high-spec liner and protective geomaterials. In fully sealed tanks, liner integrity is proven by a proprietary on-site testing procedure prior to handover. Confident installation beneath truck and car parking bays, under concrete slabs, roadways, playing fields or parklands is assured by H20 and HS20 bridge loading certification. Invisible Structures offers 3 installation options. Full turnkey installation by one of our experienced and certified teams, tank only or with earthworks. Oversight of your installation team by Invisible Structures. Or supply only to appropriately qualified and experienced entities. Environmental impact has been reduced by innovative product design combined with the use of recycled materials and a commitment to continuous product improvement with an eye on carbon footprint reduction. Ideally, the site surveyor would do the tank footprint set-out as per site plans. Establish the tank footprint corner pegs. Confirm set-out is square by checking diagonals are equal. At a workable distance, Remote from the tank, establish 8 permanent reference pegs in line with the tank footprint pegs. Excavate the tank footprint with a 200mm gap all round or a 700mm gap for manually compacted side fill. OH&S batter as required. Provide invert crossfall, sloping base if planned. Excavation must be at 95% standard compaction. Remove any loose material from excavation walls that may dislodge and fall into and under the liner during installation. The tank base is placed directly on the excavation base, which includes a 15mm to 30mm skin of screened bedding sand or fine screenings to provide a flat, debris-free surface to build on. It's important to achieve a flat base as per specification. An uneven base causes gaps between the stacks to be out of true when installed, leaving uneven gaps between them. All OH&S procedures are the responsibility of site personnel. Anchoring of ladders must be done only with sandbags, no base pins. Cover the prepared base with the supplied geogrid with 150mm joint overlaps. Place lengths of the supplied geofabric with 150mm overlaps in the base and up the sides of the excavation. Secure the pegs or sandbags. Do not peg geofabric to the base. Lower the supplied prefabricated liner into the excavation. Orientate and centralize as required. Secure up the wall by pinning into the excavation sidewall to hold in place, 40mm from the liner edge. Cover the liner with lengths of geofabric as required with 150mm overlaps. Build 1 perimeter length and 1 perimeter width of Rainstore3 to plan tank height and wall width, accurately in line with the reference pegs. Ensure that the Rainstore3 wall stacks are all firmly against one another. Recheck for square at this point. Please note that there are inbuilt locators for various size pre-cut columns in the center and corners of the Advantage modules. The first column to be installed is the 100mm column at the inner corner of the wall stacks. Start placing the base Rainstore3 Advantage modules from the inside corner of the Rainstore3 wall. Place the 100mm corner column against the inside corner of the Rainstore3 wall using the appropriate corner locator of the Advantage module. Place the 160mm support pipes on the base Advantage module corners against the Rainstore3 perimeter wall. They can be secured to the Rainstore3 wall by cable ties for ease of installation. Place the 250mm diameter pipes in the center and the corners of the first Advantage module. Place the roof modules on the support columns, fitting the supplied construction clips as you go. Repeat steps erecting columns on base modules and placing roof modules on the columns throughout the tank. Prior to fitting the last Advantage roof module in each row, place the adjacent Rainstore3 wall stack with the next 160mm support column. Complete building the tank structure in the excavation. Cover the complete tank with cut lengths of geofabric with 150mm overlaps. The vertical plastic pipe access inspection shaft is located by plan in the Rainstore3 wall. Pull the liner sidewall upwards in order to mark the planned pipe penetration diameter in preparation for insertion. Cut out appropriately located pipe penetrations in both liner and fabric. Rebate Rainstore3 wall modules to accommodate and support the penetrating pipe circumference. Force pipe stub through the prepared hole in the liner wall with inner face of pipe stub just protruding inside the liner once it's drawn up to Rainstore3 wall face. Seal the tank liner to the penetration stub by either marine-grade stainless steel worm drive clamp or extrusion welding. Draw up each full length of wall liner along and over the top of the Rainstore3 sidewall and secure to the top Rainstore3 wall module by heat weld tacks or cable ties along the edge of the liner. Pull the resultant corner pig ear flaps along the outer Rainstore3 wall. Fold flat and secure temporarily by Leicester tack welding or with a cable tie to the Rainstore3. This ensures that the side liner stays in place, ready for welding to the cover liner. Place the supplied liner cover sheet over the secured liner and seal with heat welding. Secure along the edge of the supplied cover liner on top of the Rainstore3 tank. The cover liner is supplied oversize and will need custom trimming to fit. Unpin external fabric from the excavation walls and draw up over the tank, maintaining 150mm overlaps. Cover the entire sealed structure with supplied geofabric. Ensure all pins are covered and removed to a safe location away from the vicinity of the tank. Backfill around the tank sides with stabilized sand or 5mm screenings up to 1.5 meters from the base. Backfill in 300mm layers right around the tank so as not to shift the tank sideways during backfill, especially with small tanks. When side backfill is level with the top of the tank and stable, place the first of 3 layers of geogrid with 200mm overlaps on the construction tank, extending 500mm past the tank footprint all round. Place the first of 3 150mm layers of 20mm Class II fine crushed rock compacted to 95% standard compaction. Each 150mm crushed rock layer is covered by the next layer of geogrid. Compact each layer to 95% standard compaction with hand-operated whacker plate compaction equipment. Please note, slightly moist wet mixed material is necessary to achieve adequate compaction. Fill to final surface level with compacted selected soil or specified material compacted to 95% standard compaction. For any questions on the installation process of Rainstore3 Advantage, or for further information on any Invisible Structures stormwater harvesting storage or erosion control products, please contact Invisible Structures on 03 5263 2024 or via our website at www.invisiblestructures.com.au.